In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cursor AI to improve a lovable project from your GitHub repository in about 1 minute. We're going to walk through a simple workflow for bringing your lovable project into Cursor, letting Cursor understand the full code base, making focused updates with AI, and then saving and sending those improvements back to GitHub. This process is especially useful when you want to move quickly but still stay in control of the code changes being made. To begin, clone your lovable project's GitHub repository into Cursor AI. This gives you a local working version of the project inside the editor, so you can review files, make changes, and test things properly before publishing anything. Make sure the repository opens successfully and that all project files are visible. Starting with a complete local copy is important because it gives Cursor access to the actual structure of your app rather than only isolated files. Once the project is open, go to Cursor's Composer panel and use Codebase to index all of the project components. This step helps Cursor build a broader understanding of how your project is organized, including how different files, components, and patterns connect to one another. In practice, this means the AI can give more relevant suggestions and make edits with better awareness of the surrounding code. If your project is fairly large, give the indexing process a moment to finish so the results are as accurate as possible. After that, start issuing targeted local prompts inside Cursor. A good example would be asking it to refactor a specific file, such as button.tsx, to include micro animations using framer motion. The key here is to keep your prompts focused and specific. Rather than asking for a broad redesign, point Cursor to one component or one improvement at a time. This usually leads to cleaner, more usable results and makes it easier for you to review what changed. When the update is generated, save the changes and inspect everything locally. Take a moment to check the behavior of the component, confirm the code fits the existing style of the project, and make sure nothing unexpected was introduced. Local inspection matters because even strong AI suggestions should still be verified in context. Once everything looks good, push your changes back to GitHub. That final step keeps your repository updated and makes your improvements available in your normal development workflow. And that's the full process for using Cursor AI to refine a lovable project efficiently while staying hands-on with every important change.